guys, welcome back. Today I'm sharing my top 5 favorite tips for my laundry routine. Tip is to embrace daily laundry. Don't wait until the weekend and tackle Mount Laundry. Get into the habit of doing a load a day. It keeps the laundry monster away. I like using the delay wash feature on my washing machine so I can throw it in at night and it's ready to switch over in the morning. My next tip saves a ton of time. You might hate it, but I don't sort my clothing. I actually wash by room. So every room has a laundry basket. That way there's no sorting of colors. I wash everything on cold. I throw it in the washer, I throw it in the dryer, and we can easily put it away by room. This saves so much time. So why are you sorting? Don't sort, wash in cold. Shoulders for days. My next tip, I just love so much because I'm lazy. I don't actually always put the laundry away right away when it comes out of the dryer, so we have a laundry sorter for clean baskets, and I label them per room so my kids can come in and know exactly which basket's theirs and put it away. It holds 4 laundry baskets, but it can hold 6 if I put 2 on top. Don't judge me. Listen, putting away the laundry is the worst part, so having a laundry sorter system just saves you time and takes away a lot of stress. Do you know what's worse than ironing clothes? Nothing. That's why I invested in a steamer. It was $60 from Walmart and it's the best $60 I ever spent. Usually I just buy wrinkle-free clothing, but sometimes even those get a little wrinkled, and a steamer is a fraction of the time. Plus, you can use it for things that you can't iron, like polyester clothes that melt. How do I know that? I own a lot of polyester pants and I've melted them with an iron. Get a steamer. My last and final tip is actually 3 of my favorite tips. Number 1, a lost sock bag. At the end of the basket, when you put everything away, you're gonna have those socks that don't have a friend. I don't know why. I'm not pinning them together. Please don't even put that in the comments. Ain't nobody got time to pin their socks together. So I throw all the lost socks in a lost sock bag, and once a month our whole family plays this sorting game. It's like a matching game, but with socks. It's actually fun. Give it a try, and never, ever, ever, ever put a sock in your drawer without its friend. Don't ever do that. That's like the cardinal sin of laundry. Instead, put those lonely guys in your lost sock bag. Another thing I totally recommend is having a lint bucket. So every time you clean your lint trap, you can stick it right in your lint bucket. Why not put it in the garbage, you say? You can actually use it to make fire starters, and I'm gonna put a link down below to a link that will show you how. And last but not least, I am obsessed with these DIY sponges. I've been using them for like 5 years and they really, really work. So fast, so easy, and so inexpensive. It's 6 cups of water to 1 cup of fabric softener. Just toss a sponge soaked in this stuff in your dryer for gorgeous, static-free, wonderful smelling clothes on a budget. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and I will see you next Thursday for another quick tip of the day. See you then. So hey you guys, thanks so much for those of you who have stayed to the end. We're in Canada, so like everyone's crazy obsessed with hockey, except me. I just don't get hockey. My kids play hockey, so I'm forced to be that hockey mom, and it's a cold arena and you're watching people skate and chase a puck, which for some reason makes me insanely nauseous. Like I get car sick when I watch hockey, but this is just part of my life now. And recently, a couple of days ago, my daughter had a hockey game at an outdoor arena. An outdoor arena! In the dead of winter, and not only that, it was a windstorm, like blow you over, like wind advisory with like sleet and hail and rain coming sideways, and all these crazy Canadians are out there watching their children play hockey with like snowsuits, parkas, giant things. They had blankets, they had pillows. It was basically they just brought their beds with them outside, and we're huddled together with our Tim Hortons coffee, and it was just so Canadian. It was so Canadian, and it was my worst freaking nightmare. I'm allergic to the cold, which is a thing, It's a thing. I get hives all over my face from cold weather, and hockey makes me vomit. Like legit, not that I just hate hockey and it makes me vomit. It literally makes me nauseous to watch it. So my point is, we all do crazy, insane things for our children. And also, let me know in the comments below if you know someone else who is allergic to the cold, or if watching hockey makes them car sick. Hopefully I'm not alone. But anyways, I'll see you next time.